Today in this video, we will see how to install 64-bit VLC media player on Windows 11. Let's begin. First of all, open your favorite browser. Go to the search and type VLC media player download. Soon you will see some results. Open the first link. And here you have the download button. Just click on it and select Windows 64-bit option. Soon the downloading will begin. Wait for the complete downloading of the software. Once the downloading is done, you will see this VLC 3.023 Win64exe, and you can simply go to the downloaded folder to install it. Please double click on it and the installer window will appear. Click next, click next. Leave these options as it is. No need to change anything here. Click next and the final installation will start. Okay, it's done and you can launch the VLC player.